So you want to draw semi-realism, and you're a fan of the Pinterest art that you see everywhere online. So here's 3 simple tips on how to get that semi-realistic look. And so for your first step, you want to steal. Yes, steal from everyone you know. Your pets, your family, your great-great-grandma. Sweetheart. Sorry, Grandma. And when picking a reference, make sure it looks smexy and cute. Because if it doesn't, then what are you doing? Here is my reference. And now you sketch out your drawing. And here I am sketching out my drawing, as I should, and as you should too, because tracing will not help you improve your art. So it's okay to use a reference and help you out, but tracing is not going to help you with your growth. Now your next step is to create light and shadow in your drawing. And because I am not a teacher and know the complete definition, I will be sourcing Wikipedia for this information.
To depiction of a depth perception in 3D modeling, by varying the levels of darkness, shading tries to approximate local behaviors of light and object surface and is not to be confused with the technique of adding shadows such as
and blah 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 blah. Now I think most people understand that lighting can turn a flat drawing into an in-depth picture. But if you're anything like me and you were confused when it came to lighting and shading, most likely you can take from your reference picture and just take the shadow ideas and place them onto your photo. Now, if you want an in-depth video on how to shade like hair or skin, I could definitely make another video about shading and how I actually shade versus how a lot of people shade. But for now, we are making this video short because YouTube don't pay me enough or at all. So make sure to press the subscribe button and like button for that to happen. But since I'm being charitable, I will teach you how I shade slightly. As you can see, my painting style is more of adding layers and caking up the shadows and color within the nose. Like, look at makeup and how they contour the nose and how they paint. That's basically what I'm doing to make the nose really snatch here, and really snatch to the point where you can't even breathe if you had a small nose like this. But it's surrealism, so who cares? Now lastly, we're going to talk about brushes. I know you hear it all the time about whether brushes help or improve your art, and I'm here to tell you it doesn't. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching my channel, and bye. Okay, wait. Brushes are important to a certain degree. Like, yes, there's shortcuts and you don't have to draw the hands that you're really bad at, or the hair that you just can't make those strokes correctly, or the curls, you just don't know how to do it. But brushes aren't important, and that is how you gatekeep, guys. Gatekeep. Don't tell people the brushes you use, just gatekeep. Don't look into the description to find the brushes that I use in this video, because you're not going to find it at all. Now, whoever told you brushes aren't important lied to you. Now, what I will say is that most of the times the brushes that you have to pay for, they're most likely you don't need them. You can always find some free brushes in Clip Studio Paint. They have so many free brushes. But if you got the money like that and you got riches, then go ahead and buy all the brushes you want, even the pointless brushes that are on Clip Studio, or even the weird ones. There's a lot of weird stuff on Clip Studio Paint. Clip? Now that I'm done gracing you guys with my talent and my advice, here is a time lapse of the full video. And that will be all. If you liked my unhelpful guide to drawing semi-realism, make sure to subscribe.